Hello children, good morning to you all. This is PS Reddy, your mathematics teacher. I want to conduct a quiz in a topic trigonometry which has been completed in the last week. Before conducting a quiz program, I would like to revise all the concepts briefly because some students have been absent during the classes because of some reasons. I hope that they can understand it better and can attempt to their level best to score maximum. That's why I would like to revise this. So children, trigonometry is based on a circle and a rectangular triangle especially. If you take a rectangular triangle PSR, angle S is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. Angle P and angle R are complementary angles. Angle R is taken as theta and this will be 90 minus theta here. If you take theta, PS is opposite side to theta, RS is adjacent side to theta, PR is hypotenuse. Now come to trigonometric ratios. Sine, especially sine means actually here SIN is sine of an angle will be written shortly as SIN theta, sine theta. It is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, that is PS by PR. Similarly, cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, that is SR by PR. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, and it is nothing but PS by SR. It is equal to sin theta by cos theta. We get the same. Similarly here, cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, that is cos theta by sin theta or reciprocal to tan theta. Similarly, secant theta is equal to reciprocal to cos theta. Here hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Similarly, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to theta, which is reciprocal to sin theta. So now come to reciprocals of trigonometric ratios. Here sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, that implies sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, as these two are reciprocals to each other as we have seen it earlier. Cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan into tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now let us come back to trigonometric values of trigonometric ratios for standard angles, that is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Here theta is an angle lying between 0 degrees and 90 degrees including both. Now here sin 0 degrees is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, sin 90 degrees is 1. The derivation of these values is not necessary now. If you want, let us discuss them later. Now cos theta is equal to, just you take from the values from 90 degrees. Cos 0 degrees is sin 90 degrees, cos 30 degrees is sin 60 degrees, cos 45 degrees is equal to sin 45 degrees, cos 60 degrees is equal to sin 30 degrees, cos 90 is equal to sin 0 degrees. So if you take the values from 90 to 0 degrees of sine of the angle, we get the values for cos. Similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Just the 0 by 9, tan 0 degrees is equal to this by this, we get 0. Similarly, you do this, you make these operations, you will get all these values very easily. Now cot theta is equal to reciprocals of this, or you take from 90 degrees to 0 degrees of tan values. Similarly, secant is also equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Reciprocal of this, root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is undefined. Similarly, cosecant theta, it is reciprocal of sin theta. I think you have already practiced it. Similarly, you take the values from 90 degrees to 0 degrees of secant theta to get the values of cosecant of the same angle. Now you come back to complementary angles. we know that sin theta is equal to PS by PR, and cos 90 minus theta equal to adjacent side is this PS by PR here. So from these two we get that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Now let us come back to the last concept, that is trigonometric identities. We have already proved this identity that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this first identity we get some auxiliary identities like sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It will be similar to a square minus b square. You can write it as a minus b into a plus b for some given value. And then now here secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, transpose this minus tan square theta to RHS. Similarly, tan square theta equal to, bring 1 to this side, you will get secant square theta minus 1. The last identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta equal to, transpose it to that side RHS, it becomes plus cot square theta. Now cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Children, I think you have understood this. I have revised all the concepts a little faster than usual class because it is not a regular class. Just briefing to make students thorough and to perform well in the today's quiz. Wish you all the best. I hope you do well. Thank you.